Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by opening Netflix and signing in with the account you want to cancel. Once logged in, go straight to your profile icon and choose Account. This exposes billing details so you can confirm which subscription to stop. Make sure payment and email match what you expect, because canceling the wrong profile won't refund someone else. If you can't sign in, reset your password now so you don't get stuck later. Next, locate membership and billing an account and select Cancel Membership. Netflix shows you any remaining billing period and the date service ends. You'll be asked to confirm. Do that to schedule the cancellation. If your subscription is billed through Apple, Google Play, or a TV provider, you must cancel with that third party instead. Check the account page for the billing source and follow their cancellation flow to avoid continued charges. Finally, watch for confirmation email and verify the service end date listed on your account page. This is your record that the cancellation is scheduled. You can restart the plan anytime by signing in and choosing Restart Membership before that date. If you don't get a confirmation or charges continue, contact Netflix support and provide the account email and last 4 digits of the payment method. That speeds resolution and prevents billing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.